Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Okay, I'm about to actually make some fried chicken. And these are the ingredients I use for my fried chicken. Some garlic powder, some Creole seasoning, Goya chicken bouillon, some Morton seasoning salt, a little bit of salt since we have all the salt, black ground pepper, and I actually have a bag of all-purpose flour, which I have seasonings in those. The same seasonings I have here, I actually mixed a little bit inside of here, you know, so all the flour won't kill the seasoning. So, and of course I'm cooking it in peanut oil, which I already have like a half pan of the peanut oil in the pan cooking. Is working its way up. And of course I have the chicken already cleaned, hands washed, everything prepared and ready to go. So all I have to do is season this chicken up now. And I'm gonna season the chicken. I have a pack of the chicken bouillon. This is 1 cube. I'm gonna pour all of it in there. Grab a teaspoonful of Creole seasoning. About a teaspoonful of seasoning salt. Teaspoonful of garlic. You don't want it to be too salty, guys. Teaspoonful of kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Half teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to actually add some hot sauce. Crystal hot sauce to it. You can add it if you want to. You don't have to. I mean, I love hot sauce, so I'm going to add some of it. And that was about a tablespoonful. So now I'm going to actually mix all this together. You hear that grease popping? See if it's ready. It smells good already. I ain't even cooked yet. That's them seasonings. That's them seasonings. Now I'm gonna take all this chicken and put it into my flour bag. Of course, I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, what I'm about to do next is I'm about to do this little trick where I want to see if my grease is actually hot enough. I am going to put the wooden spoon there, and if it starts to bubble, it is actually hot enough. Look at that. See that? Now I can add my chicken to the process. Okay guys, I am going to start putting the chicken in, and I'm going to cook it for approximately 18 minutes. Make sure you get all the extra flour off of it. And start putting it in the pan. Look at that. It's ready. Look at it. Yeah, boy. It's ready. All the extra off of there. I'm gonna start cupping me. That thing has been ready. It said, hurry up, I've been ready. I actually put some more chicken in here. We add how much cream we add left. Put one more in. Look at that. See, it's fried. All that chicken is fried in that peanut oil. Okay, guys, you didn't know about this little trick I have going on. So, you know, you can actually put butter in it and make it fry a little crispier by adding butter. Trust me, I've been doing it for a while. Makes it extra crispy with butter. Had to show you guys a little trick. Can't keep none away from you guys. Guys, look at that chicken. Looks good, right? Looks good. And we're still cooking the rest of it. So look at that. Looks good. And that's the final result to my chicken. Okay, guys, all the chicken is done. It is crispy. Look at that. Oh, that chicken is done. Looks good, right, guys? That chicken. Crunchy. Best chicken hands down. Better than any chicken you ever tried, I promise you. And I'm not saying that because it's just mine, but look at that. It's crunchy, you hear it? Alright, guys. It's over. But promise me. I promise you, I'm gonna clean this bone. Period. It's over. Until next time. See you guys.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to